What's up, dude?
Hi!
So those of you who know, Shay's a good friend of mine, also known High Sierra Yoda. I've been trying to get out with these guys, but I haven't been able to find time, but every time he goes out, he happens to get more and more body damage. Let me show you guys.
Man, tell me about it.
It's not on purpose, but it's been pretty bad.
It's always really dumb stuff, too.
Here's the last one.
Oh, yeah. This is nice and juicy.
Yeah, nothing a big hammer can't fix, right?
Yeah. Could use a little more work on it, but...
So hopefully we don't come out with some more damage, because it seems like it's prone to happen with Shay around, right?
Yeah, I mean, that's why I'm getting all this armor, though.
Yeah.
You gotta protect it somehow.
That's right. TJ's here. What's up, dude?
What's
Say
up?
hi.
How's it going?
Not too bad. We're just kind of letting Shay take us where he knows is a good spot. We're gonna get on the road. Made it to the spot. This is Plan B spot, right?
Yep, Plan B spot.
We're at Plan B spot.
But look, see, there's our fire ring.
Oh, there is a fire ring over there. Okay, guys, we just made it to camp. It's a pretty good spot. I guess it was worth not knowing where we're going. But check this out. Look at all this green. So yeah, I just got the truck leveled. We're about to start setting up camp. And we got some other guys that are coming out. Hopefully they find us. TJ, we're done.
We're done when I say I'm done.
No more. It's the best fire pit. Best fire pit I've ever seen. 4 more years. Got Mr. Strongman here. All right, let's start this thing. Ready? Boom. We got fire. All thanks
Fire, baby.
to the guy with the permit.
Guy with the Land Cruiser. Oh wait, I don't have a Land Cruiser.
That is pretty sweet.
So you want to know something funny about this logo?
Sure.
Is they actually copied someone's rig and put this on North's, whatever.
Oh yeah,
North Face's shirt, and then the guy found out it was his rig, and got a nice little chunk of change from
I'm
it.
sure you did. Check this out, guys. It's called a mountain hatch. Hey, have you guys seen a mountain hatch?
No way! What's a mountain hatch?
Dude, it's this tailgate insert right here where it has a food prep space and FDA approved.
What is this
Yeah.
for beers?
Dude, you can put that there without spilling it.
No!
Yeah, what do you think of that?
That's awesome!
For those of you guys who don't know, we sell mountain hatches on our website, ordinaryoverland.com. We have all the colors.
Oh, nice.
I think we're out of blue right now, but we got all the other ones. Okay, dude, I brought something kind of special tonight.
I'm scared, Tim.
Well, we already cooked steaks, but I have something that'll make the night wonderful.
Marshmallows?
No, not liquor. All right, I'm gonna go get it.
If you don't bring a smoker out, I'm gonna be sad.
I did not bring a smoker, dude. Let me show you guys. Hi, TJ.
Hi. Crab people.
What's up, guys?
Made it! Oh yeah, dude, sorry if you're about to go.
Dude, about time this guy gets here. Dude, is this the Craptor?
Hello.
All right, guys, we got almost everybody here. We are waiting on Troy still, so Troy, hurry up. But we got the fire going. We got Nolan's Raptor here and his buddy Trent with the habitat. Now we're just gonna enjoy the rest of the night.
Pretty funny.
What do you guys think of this setup?
Love it.
Love it?
Fantastic.
Awesome.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
We're about to have some crab, right?
It.
Yep.
Crab, actually.
Yeah, dude, I brought crab. All right, it's next morning here at camp. We got coffee, we got bacon. The other guys are making some other stuff. I'll show you what they're doing. What's up, guys? How'd you guys sleep?
Great.
Yeah?
Froze a little bit.
Did it?
Oh, it's still
yeah.
warm in my habitat.
Yeah. And Troy slept right there. Dude, I thought there was a bear eating my stuff last night.
It's a work in progress, don't judge.
Hey, dude, what is that?
Puke.
You gonna share that?
Absolutely.
I'm okay. You got Shay still sleeping in there.